got the ABS sensor in, exciter rings all in, everything, hub's on now. So I'm going to, first torque is 500 newton meters, and then 15 turns, and then 1300 newton meters. So let's get the first stage done, 500 newton meters, and then spin it 15 times. So next stage is, so that's 500 plus 15 turns. Next stage is 1300 newton meters. This is what we use. It's called torque multiplier. So I'll set the torque range to 260 because this is 5 times the value. So yeah, you work out yourself. This is a handy bit of kit. You find it hard without it. So let's get this all set up. 1300 newton meters, and then the hub is bang on and torqued up as how it should be. Hard to film trying to torque that. It's 1300 newton meters, so it's like a lot of torque, and I need 2 people to do it, so it's hard to film, but you get the gist of the idea of how that bit of kit works and how we do it. So that's all torqued up now. We're going to clean up the half shaft, seal the half shaft, put that in, caliper, secure the new ABS sensor and everything like that, and then wrap it all up. So we're in the last little stage now, but that's the hardest bit really done. As in torquing that all up. So yeah, let's get cracking on. So that's all that. We're going to seal the half shaft up now, get that all sealed up, get that all bolted up, and then we'll clean the disc up, get the caliper on, new pads in. Let's get this last little bit done and get it smashed out. Remember, that bolt in first one's put in the caliper. Remember, when you're doing brakes as well, 3 clicks off for de-adjusting the brakes. Some people do more, some people do less, but for me, it's 3 clicks off. So let's get brake chamber on, get all the wiring clipped up, bang the wheels back on, bang the wind back on. Job's a good one. with any brakes we do, we always do a brake test. So I'll just quickly show you through this. All we're doing there is literally just lining everything up, getting the balance right. Figures are on the same. We'll do one side. We'll brake up to the yellow box to ovality. We'll hold it there. And all the way. Same on the other side. Also give it a run as well, like before we take it out on the road, we'll just do this. This DAF hasn't got park brake on front axle, so we'll store that one. We'll move on to the second. And if you ever go MOT in a HGV, you'll still do this anyway. Same with the back. And so on, and we'll do park brake on the back as well. Don't need to brake up to ovality on this one because it's not steer axle. And do park brake. That is it. So that's another one done. So tools you need: 32mm socket for wheel nuts, 26mm for the caliper bolts, 10mm socket and ratchet or ratchet spanner for the adjuster on the back, 105mm for the hub nut torque, 500mm, 15 turns, 1300 millimeters. So that's all that. And you'll need a, let me have a look what size it was. I think it's an E14 or E12 for the disc bolts for all of that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's not a bad job. And then the wheel nuts torqued up to 700. So we do one torque, leave it half hour retorque and torque it again. So sorry about that. Yeah. So yeah, 780 meters, torque it, leave it half hour, retorque again. So that's pretty much all that. Yeah, so it's pretty much all there is for that job. I've got more work to do on it as usual. So just want to thank everyone for subscribing, liking, commenting, all the stuff that I've had this year. You know, really pushed it out the last few months for videos and that. So that's what I'm hoping to carry on doing. I appreciate all your support, and I hope everyone has a good Christmas and New Year. And I'll see you all soon. Take care.